Hello, I'm Sunny. Welcome to our Pinyin series. Today we're talking about the rules of Pinyin Yu with 机器 C. So we know when Yu, all the finals with Yu like 约 云. If with 机器 C, these three initials, when we will write like 居基于居其于区西于虚. So you'll find when I write the yu, the two dots disappear. Yes. So remember when final yu, all the final with yu like yue or yun, they combine with ji, qi, xi, these three initials. The two dots will disappear. So we say ju, shu, and chu. So can you tell me in this syllable, xi is the initial. Which is the final? Which one is the final? Is u and e? No, it's yu and e. Yue, yue. So this is a very important one. So when you see ji, qi, xi, and if you think this is yu, not u, so when you pronounce, you say ji, yu, chu. Okay? Now let us all about yu with ji, qi, xi. Okay, if you think today's video is helpful, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. 再见。